क्वांटिटी के साथ क्वालिटी पे कहीं ना कहीं कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो जाता है. हाउ इज एसएसटी प्लानिंग टू मैनेज दैट?
We should have not scaled up the learners.
व्हाट इज एसएसटी एक्सपेक्टिंग कि कैसे कंपनीज आने वाली है एंड व्हाट आर द पैकेजेस दैट दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग?
We want to be the Ivy League for.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and today we have Manmeet sir who is the program director here at SST. तो आज हम उनसे काफी अनफिल्टर्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाले हैं रिगार्डिंग एनसेट, फीस हाइक, स्टूडेंट इनटेक एंड मच मोर. So sir, are you ready?
Ready?
So let's start with this. Who do you think should not join Scalar School of Technology?
Okay, so maybe let's structure what is SST and then usse we revise the answer. Okay. So SST is the place jahan pe, of course, if you are broadly interested in technology, you come here. You start with the basics. Then you graduate and then you graduate to more complicated things. You learn by building it, right? And then in year 3, you choose a path, right? You have a lot of electives, which is also on the non-technical side, but this is largely a course if you want to go deep into technology. This UGP in CSL, we have some exciting news that we will share later, where there's a program coming in later. Just a hint there. But now, see, as you know, and thanks to Shitit sir, anyone who's not driven to be a good techie, right? And see, in the future, I mean, जो लेबर वाला टेक है, just writing code is gone, right? Future छोड़ो, God sake, cloud code use किया, अब तो जाए. So, see, it's about problem solving. It's about thinking in systems. It's about learning to learn. How should it say? Now, if all of this does not sound exciting to you, learning by building, going deep in tech, I was just like, while walking in, आपके 3 बैचमेट सौहार्द, जनिश, वो क्या बातें करते, वो बातें करेगी कि इसको कॉलेज कैसे चलता है, बहुत पैशनेटली बाहर इनोवेशन तरह की बात करें जनरली. तो ऐसे लोग के साथ रहना है, और अगर आप भी वैसे टाइप के हो या बनना चाहते हो, राइट. एंड एक और चीज, मतलब नॉट एवरीवन comes with coding experience. I don't know how it was for you and the rest of the team. Right. So the statistic is that 70% of the people have zero coding चाहिए. So we're not saying कि आपको coding आनी चाहिए already. ठीक है, आपको सोचना आना चाहिए, which means that आपको mathematics, logic, ये strong है तो मजा आएगा आपको यहाँ पे. ठीक है. So तो इसको negate कर लो, तो को नहीं आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. आपको अगर chill मारना है, कॉलेज में मस्ती करके सिर्फ मानता हूँ यहाँ पे. Right? There are many colleges जिसमें आप वो कर लो, but 4th year के बाद क्या हो रहा है.
दिस ईयर हमने देखा कि जो एनसेट का लेवल था वो काफी ज्यादा इम्प्रूव हुआ है कंपेयर टू लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स. सो व्हाट वाज द रीजनिंग? लाइक वाज इट टू फिल्टर आउट स्टूडेंट्स? वाज इट टू मेक इट अ लिटिल अनप्रेडिक्टेबल? लाइक व्हाट वाज द रीजनिंग बिहाइंड इट?
I think, look, as you all know, from day one, we've been maintaining this position that we want to be the Ivy League for the AI age, right? Now, of course, we have our own pillars of having the great teachers, some of that you've experienced, having the right curriculum, having the right campus, facilities, and all of that. But one major pillar is peers, right? And if you don't have very smart, driven people around you, then it fight works, right? Now, year on year, we want to increase our selectivity, get the right kind of kids. We have internal metrics to track this. And the attempt of... So you're right, like the NSET deliberately has been made tougher.
Okay.
Right? Of course, that means that the cutoffs also go down to a certain extent. But let's say where we were at LOD 1.5, somewhere between 1 and 2, now we're going towards 2.5.
Got it.
Right? Largely. LOD is level of maturity, right? So it's a deliberate attempt to try and make the peer group slightly more elite, slightly more smart.
Now it's a tough question. We have seen that in batch 1, which was our batch, the strength was 2000 or 200, and the recent batch which came, the strength was 750 students. So इतना ज्यादा जो बच्चों का काउंट बढ़ रहा है, इट्स अ गिवन फैक्ट कि क्वांटिटी के साथ क्वालिटी पे कहीं ना कहीं कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो जाता है, एंड ऑल्सो जो पर्सनलाइजेशन रहता है वो कहीं ना कहीं मिस हो जाता है. सो हाउ इज एसएसटी प्लानिंग टू मैनेज दैट कि इवन आफ्टर इंक्रीजिंग द क्वांटिटी बट गिवन द कि एवरी स्टूडेंट पे ध्यान जा रहा है, सो हाउ इज एसएसटी प्लानिंग टू मैनेज दैट?
No, absolutely. I think that is a fair question. The count is 680, not 740. But irrespective, I think, look, firstly, why scale, right? I think in year 1, we had 5,000 applications.
Right.
in year 3 last year we had 21,000 applications. So there is from an aspirant side this huge demand for wanting to study, right, and therefore wanting to study through this model, right, which I think by now you all also appreciate, right? From an employer point of view, Scalar, the larger organization, which has been around for a decade, from an employer point of view, we work with many partners, 1,200 partners there. And I mean, as we scale, we obviously loop in the placement heads and all of those and ask them that what is their conviction, what is the demand in the industry. And actually, let me share this, Reema, that today, see, negativity spreads very fast. AI is taking coding all, but it's not. And AI is replacing the laborer, but the architect and the builder still needs to be there to do topics only. And who is hiring these architects and builders?
Companies.
Which companies?
The top companies.
Product-based companies.
Yes.
So product-based companies are one, but there is something called GCCs, Global Capability Centers. And India is benefiting from this in a huge way. You won't believe this ability. In the last 5 years, GCCs have grown from 0 to $70 billion of exports.
Okay.
Crazy. So what is GCC? Let's say Mogix are real. पहले उनका टेक अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होता था. अब उनको समझ गया कोविड के बाद कि ऐसा भी बढ़िया काम हो सकता है. सो दे हैव स्टार्टेड सेटिंग अप सेंटर्स इन हैदराबाद, बैंगलोर, पुणे, राइट? And it is estimated that in the next 4 years, GCC is going to grow 2x.
Okay.
Crazy.
Right.
I mean, my own wife works at PepsiCo. उनका हैदराबाद में पूरे ग्लोबल पेप्सी का कैपेबिलिटी सेंटर है. Okay, and this trend is accelerating. Got it. Because India is at the perfect, मतलब अच्छा टैलेंट भी आ रहा है, right? India geopolitically भी benefit कर रहा है, right? And उनका वही काम sustainability. True. So, from an employer side, we saw the demand, and then we said, "Chalo, I think." Now, one thing to clarify, कि as we scale up, see, this is unlike other colleges. Other colleges क्या करते हैं? CS and AI, CS and data science, CS and ये ऐसे करके multiple branches करते हैं, right? और वो टोटल काउंट देखो तो उतना ही हाई होता है. हाँ. आपने क्या बोला कि देखो बच्चों के लिए हेल्दी क्या है कि आप आओ, you go through the basics. Discover yourself, right? What you like, and then year 3 में आप specialization choose करो. So technically देखा जाए तो these are 3 separate programs which are merged together, right? And now from a delivery point of view, personalization तो जो आप पूछ रहे हैं, देखो Scalar is a larger. Today we train at any point 50 to 20,000 learners. There are 200 plus instructors which are there on the online side.
Right.
So what we do is that, in fact, I was just talking to Shikit sir about this yesterday. Okay. So यहाँ पे it's easy to get the best instructors from there, right? And that's our strength, right? No company operates at that scale in India when it comes to tech education. तो वहाँ के जो seasoned लोग हैं वो यहाँ पे आते हैं, classes देते हैं. This is the subjects in that register, etc. etc. Then we continue keep on doing experiments. जैसे year 1 में seniors नहीं थे जब आप लोग आए थे. आप लोग senior बन गए हो and you know the buddy program.
Right. Correct.
And that's a huge hit, I think. Right?
Yeah.
Maybe was that both, but buddy program is essentially seniors guiding juniors now, and the seniors are paid for this.
Right.
And there is a sense of responsibility that comes along with this. So you're right to ask the question. कि scale up हो रहा है कैसे होगा personalized? But I think given the kind of team that we have and the kind of ambitions and the kind of like student aspirations that we see, we are very confident. And again, just to share through your channel, like CS and AI is going to be the flagship, and we're not going to scale that up too much this year. We will be launching something exciting, which I will share.
Okay, got it. So next question is also a little personal. Ki from Scalar being called a scam initially to 96% of the students getting placed in great companies for internships, it has been a crazy journey, right? So what do you think has Scalar done right, and what do you think are some things that are still there that needs to be solved?
मैं वो Scalar scam यार किसी को भी scam बोलना तो बड़ा easy होता है.
Yeah.
हार्डवर्क जो सब टिक करते हो वो लोगों को दिखता नहीं है. बट वो स्कैम लैंड भी क्यों होता है? बिकॉज 21-22 में हमारे जो ऑनलाइन learners थे, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे layoffs हो रहे थे tech में.
Right.
So people who were in those online programs, not all of them got jobs, which is why the frustrated ones, maybe one guy actually made a video and then that
Right.
took up it. So, but since then, I think the tech industry has stabilized. There are so many opportunities in AI. I am so excited. Like my दिन रात डेवलपर सर्विस करके होता है. I would really recommend you guys to also watch it. He is the Albert Einstein of finance. Okay. Protein folding problem उन्होंने solve किया. He got the Nobel Prize for that using AI. Okay. And if you hear it talk, आपको लगेगा wow, what a time to be alive. Okay, उनकी documentary that has come out recently. And I'm saying this because AI and the guys who, in fact, he says this, अभी Davos TED talk हुआ था, उसमें बोलते हैं कि guys in undergrad don't need internships. They need to be adept at the latest tools. Plot code हो गया, ये हो गया, कि उसमें घुस के you can do 10x better than even me. Right? कोई experience अभी matter नहीं करता. Right? So exciting as a time to be alive. And the world has changed essentially. Scammer छोड़े यार. ये तो इसको जो बोल रहा है. Let's focus on learning fully. The journey has been good. I think you guys we chose the right students. Genuinely. And you all were under the tutelage of Siddharth sir and Anshuman and all of that. And वो model SST का is proven now. And so many other guys doing it, which is great for the factor.
Right. I think eventually over the years चीजें improve होती जा रही है. जैसे starting में मेस स्कूल बहुत बड़ा issue हो गया था, लेकिन अब वो काफी improve हो गया है. Campus life was definitely one of the best was a thing, but recently we have it. So I think yeah, eventually it's in growing stage, it's in
अगर
improvement.
देखो hostel वगैरह अभी भी there is a lot to go.
हाँ.
वो सब पे चल रहा है and you will see continuous improve 1% better.
सर एक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स क्वेश्चन, मैनेजमेंट कोटा होता है?
बिल्कुल नहीं. आपको लगता है कोई आपके बैच समझ
नहीं, मतलब मेरे को बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछते हैं, मैं बोला कि भाई मैंने कभी गलती से सुना भी
भाई
नहीं.
मुझे कितनी कॉल आते हैं, मुझे आते हैं सर 10 लाख ले लो, XYZ कॉलेज नाम कभी ले सकता हूँ, हाँ ले रहे हो तो आप लोग क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो. लोकसभा MP के असिस्टेंट्स के कॉल आ चुके हैं कि सर को चाहिए एडमिशन. तो बिल्कुल नहीं, मतलब अपने डे वन से यहाँ पे पता नहीं कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल बात है, बट रिजर्वेशन नहीं है यहाँ पे. राइट, सारे बच्चे मेरिट से आते हैं एंड आई एम द अपहोल्डर. गलती से भी नहीं होना चाहिए ये समय. राइट,
That's really cool.
सो देखो लॉन्ग टर्म अगर आपको बहुत अच्छा बनना है तो ये शॉर्ट टर्म चीजें करके भी फायदा. राइट, सो दैट्स आवर फिलॉसफी. अगर मान लो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का CTO बोलता है कि यार माय सन वांट्स टू स्टडी हियर, ओके, 99% उनका प्रोफाइल अच्छा ही होता है, तो वो प्रोफाइल बेस में शॉर्ट है, बट इंटरव्यू उसको भी देना. राइट, तो कोई भी मतलब बिना इंटरव्यू क्लियर किए बिना प्रोसेस के जाए किसी को एडमिशन नहीं.
Got it. I have two questions for you. Firstly, how are scholarships exactly distributed? And is it true कि जितना जल्दी अप्लाई करते हैं उतने ज्यादा चांसेस है स्कॉलरशिप मिलने के?
देखो स्कॉलरशिप का एक मैट्रिक्स बनता है जिसमें लेट्स से अक्रॉस बकेट्स, एंड ये वेबसाइट पे भी है, मे बी यू कैन पुट दैट ऑन द स्क्रीन. स्टार्टिंग विद योर एकेडमिक्स, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम स्कोर्स, अगर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर अचीवमेंट्स है इधर ऑफ द टेक साइड. एंड टेक साइड पे मतलब इट्स लाइक नॉट कि गिटहब पे बस आपने 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट्स डाल दिए डाल रहे, एक्चुअल यूजर्स
हाँ.
ट्रैक्शन होना चाहिए कुछ. अगर आपके एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में कोई अचीवमेंट्स है, वो थे कुछ बच्चों ने लाइक ट्राई किया होता है कुछ. नो ऐसे हर बकेट का एक स्कोर मिलता है, लाइक यू गेट वेटेड आउट ऑफ 1 to 5. फिर अक्रॉस बकेट आपकी स्कोर ऐड होते हैं डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में होता है, एंड देन वी चूज अ सर्टेन परसेंटेज डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच इंटेक इट इज, एंड टिपिकली 10 to 15% of the offer holders get a scholarship. फिर वो अचीवमेंट्स के हिसाब से लाइक if let's say आपके कोई चीज़ों में बहुत ही अच्छे अचीवमेंट्स हैं, then that decides the quantum of the scholarship. And to the other person कि like early intakes में, so essentially competition is lesser in early intakes, right? So the chances of you getting a scholarship is slightly higher.
True. Also on paper तो हम बोलते हैं कि 100% स्कॉलरशिप अवेलेबल है, बट कितने परसेंट स्टूडेंट्स को एक्चुअली मिलती भी है? इनफैक्ट परसेंट भी नहीं पूछना चाहिए. इज इट ट्रू कि मिलती है?
देखो ऑन पेपर तो हमने उसकी क्राइटेरिया अपने पास रखे हुए, अच्छा राइट, जैसे मान लो आप कहते हैं कि कोई बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस IMO टाइप के इसमें इवन इंडिया को अगर रिप्रेजेंट किया है तो यू कैन कम एंड अप्लाई फॉर दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स। जेई में आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स हैं तो यू कैन कम एंड अप्लाई। तो आई कैन टेल यू दैट पिछली बार हमने 70% 75% स्कॉलरशिप्स तो डेफिनेटली करा है।
Now that placements of first batch is approaching like almost within a year, तो SST के क्या plans है? Like what is SST expecting कि कैसे companies आने वाली है and what are the packages that they are expecting?
From a preparation point of view, I think one is we are starting engagement, and you will start seeing a lot of companies come on campus, be it for hackathons, be it for workshops, super mentor kind of knocks, right? So wo Sarah, you will start seeing a lot of that happen. Now, see, there are buckets of companies that we're having. Okay, let's say bucket one is your big tech, right? You know all the names. Yeah, big tech, right? कितने परसेंट बच्चे इसमें प्लेस होंगे क्या होगा वो ओनली टाइम विल टेल, बट like yesterday only we did a meeting in which we were discussing what type of companies to target, how to get them, etc., right? So that's big tech. Second category is that GCCs. I was explaining earlier, right, what GCC means. I think those are also great learning opportunities for kids and great placement outcomes also you can expect from there. Third is, and these are aspirational outcomes. We don't know if it happens or doesn't happen. So some of these AI companies being built, right? One thing I missed is that all of your batch has got internships, and through those internships, many of them have either already got PPUs or will get PPUs.
So yeah, that was it. Like all the questions were answered very nicely. And I mean, firstly, thank you for being there on this podcast. And बहुत सारे doubts I think students के भी solve हुए होंगे. ये ऐसे questions थे जो probably आंसर नहीं हुए है या मतलब प्रॉपरली आंसर नहीं हुए, बट टुडे आई थिंक दे गॉट अ स्टेज वेयर आई मीन यू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड यू शेयर योर थॉट्स की व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स बिहाइंड ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आर गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ. So yeah, thank you.
Any thanks to you guys for being the voice of students and sorry, I'm just mentioning कि आप लोग भी तो startup बना रहे तो बढ़िया करते हैं इसको और भी करेंगे. मतलब I don't know if the questions were if the answers were very clear. So in case you still have questions, आप लोग comments में डाल दो, वापस कर लेंगे
questions ले लेंगे.
right? And all the best to anyone preparing for not just SST but any other college. Thanks again.
Thanks.